Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all well. My morning, anyway. I had 16 hours sleep last night. I was absolutely exhausted from working. Just a very quick one. I've got a couple of YouTubes to bring today, and one is just obviously Luke's comment the other day that Ripple could be a bank and they could take on all the banks out there. And I sort of vaguely believe in that idea as well because it's a really good one. But just to sort of some additional information that's sort of going that way is there's obviously a wallet called the Toast wallet that Ripple uses, and you can purchase Ripple with that Toast wallet. And in the second half of this year, they're actually saying that they're going to produce a credit card. So basically, the wallet itself is going to have a credit card, and you'll be able to purchase Ripple with that, which is fantastic, XRP. As you know, some of the banks, the London, sorry, bloody phone keeps going, I apologise for that. As you know, some of the banks globally have stopped allowing people to buy cryptocurrency with their credit card. Commonwealth Bank did it here, which I think is pretty stupid. Lloyds Bank in the UK did it. Also, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, and JP Morgan Chase and Bank of America have all stopped credit card purchases of cryptocurrency, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. But anyway, Ripple doing this could literally take on the banks at their own game, and I think they can do it because if they're allowing obviously a credit card within the wallet, then you can just purchase Ripple easily, and that's going to make the use of the cryptocurrency even more usable and more usable friendly to the retail clients, to the mums and dads. So which is great. So if you read this thing from Toast Wallet, they've got to get obviously licensed banks accounts, card processing going and all this sort of stuff, which does take time. But it's a huge story in itself. I think it's another reason why you should be buying Ripple, and it's another reason why Ripple is so undervalued. The fudders out there honestly just don't have any idea about the technology. Again, I'll say this again and again and again, and I'm half asleep, but when I'm half asleep, I just get frustrated. I've been in the market for, 35 years. I'm 55 years of age. So I've been in the market since I was about 17 or something. Starting as a settlement clerk right through to everything. And I only just, I'm still in the market now, in the crypto market, but I was still working in the institutional market up to a couple of years ago. The fudders of Ripple and the technology just have no idea about the technology, and they have no idea about working in banks, working with institutional clients, working as a fund manager like I did for many years with many different fund managers, working with institutional money and being an insto where you have billions of dollars to play with. They just don't have any idea because they're a bunch of 25-year-old punks or 35-year-old punks that just don't know anything. So, I will be right, absolutely right. Ripple will be the #1 cryptocurrency because you cannot have cryptocurrency working without regulation. That's #1. Without regulation, cryptocurrency will not work properly in terms of not the technology, but in terms of it being taken over, in terms of being used by the whole population, the whole global population. It just won't happen. So Ripple is right. You have to work with the regulators. If you don't work with the regulators, you're dead in the water, basically. I'm going to bring out a YouTube today if I have time. I've got to go to work, but I do part-time personal training for clients, which I really love. It keeps me fit. But I'm going to bring out a YouTube later on, just about the regulatory environment and the big quiet before the tidal wave, because insto money will come into this market, and insto money, institutional money, will buy Ripple over and above anything else. So anyway, guys, you look after yourself. Please treat yourself well, treat your family well, treat your friends well. Life is really short. Treat your animals well. Always do what you want to do because life goes really fast. Anyway, look after yourself, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.